chili?
Kusa.
Kusa?
Yes, Kusa.
Just want to make sure you take everything out, and then we save this for breakfast with eggs. So this has everything you need. You can buy this at Amazon. It has all the ingredients just in one little bottle. So make sure not to fill it all the way to the top, otherwise the rice is gonna fall off the squash. Okay, I already removed the plate from the top, and this is all done. So remember, we cooked it from low for about an hour, and now you guys can see how the meat and the rice, you can see how the rice and the meat has cooked. So this is an Arabic soup that my husband made. It's called Kusa. So if you guys want to try it, it's very delicious, very healthy, and always remember to cook your soup on low. So we cooked it for an hour, and the soup is ready. Okay, so this is the soup. This is called Kusa, and there is ground meat on here and some rice. Now the type of rice that we added in here is basmati rice. This is the kind of rice that we added. They're very big on the basmati rice, and this is what it looks like. So yummy. Hope you guys enjoy. See you next time.